Good day everyone, and welcome to your favorite mathematics lesson from Young Brains Academy. My name is JJ Thompson Oladele. In our last lesson, we started the solution to simultaneous equation using the elimination method. Today, we are making use of the substitution method. Example 1. Solve the following equations. X plus y equals 3. That's equation 1. X minus y equals 1. Equation 2. Solution. We are making use of the substitution method, and in doing that, we have to make one of the variables the subject of the formula. That is, we either make x the subject of the formula or y the subject of the formula in any of the two equations. So we make y the subject of the formula in equation 1. Hence, we have y equals 3 minus x. That gives us equation 3. We later substitute equation 3, that is the value of y, into equation 2. So we have x minus into 3 minus x equals 1. Noting that y equals 3 minus x. Then it gives us x minus 3 plus x equals 1. x plus s gives us 1 plus 3. So we have 2x equals 4. For us to get our x, we need to divide through by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So divide both sides by 2. So we have 2x divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2. So our x will now give us 2. That is, the value of our x equals to 2. To solve for y, we need to substitute for the value of x in any of the two equations. So here we want to make use of equation 2. X minus y equals 1. We already know the value of x to be 2. So we have 2 minus y equals to 1. From there, we have minus y equals 1 minus 2, subtracting 2 from both sides. So we have minus y equals to minus 1. For us to remove the minus sign from our y, we divide through by minus 1. So we have divide both sides by minus 1, which is the coefficient of y. Minus y divided by minus 1 equals minus 1 divided by minus 1. When we cancel them out, we have y equals to 1. Example number 2. Solve the following equations. 5x plus 3y equals 11. Equation 1. 3x minus 2y equals 18. Equation 2. We are still making use of the substitution method. Therefore, we need to make one of the variables in either of the equations the subject of the formula. Again, we are making y the subject of the formula from equation 2. So we have y equals minus into 18 minus 3x divided by 2. That gives equation 3. Then we go further to substitute for the value of y in equation 1. That is, we put equation 3 into equation 1. It then gives us 5x plus 3. Instead of y, we put in the value minus 18 plus 3x divided by 2 equals 11. We multiply through by 2 in order to remove the denominator 2 from the equation. So we multiply each term by 2. That is 2 times 5x plus 2 times 3 into minus 18 plus 3x divided by 2 equals 2 times 11. This gives us 10x plus 3 into minus 18 plus 3x equals 22. We try to open the bracket we have 10x minus 54 plus 9x equals 22. So to collect like terms, we have 10x plus 9x equals 22 plus 54. So it gives us 19x equals to 76. For us to get our x, we need to divide through by the coefficient, which is 19. Divide both sides by 19. 19x divided by 19 equals 76 divided by 19. This gives us s equals to 4. Our value of s equals to 4. To solve for y, we need to substitute for x in any of the two equations. Hence, we are making use of equation 1. 5x plus 3y equals 11. So we need to substitute for the value of s, which is equal to 4, into the equation. Then we have 5 times 4, which is the value of x, plus 3y equals 11. 5 times 4 gives us 20, plus 3y equals 11. Then we need to subtract 20 from both sides. So we have 3y equals 11 minus 20. This gives us 3y equals to minus 9. For us to get our y, we need to divide through by 3, which is the coefficient of y. So divide both sides by 3. We have 3y divided by 3 equals minus 9 divided by 3. So this gives us y equals minus 3. So the answer to our y equals minus 3. Before the end of the lesson today, we want to consider some practice questions. Solve the following equations using substitution method. Question 1. 3x minus 2y equals 18. Equation 1. 5x plus 3y equals 11. Equation 2. Question number 2. 4x minus 5y equals 0. 2x minus 2y equals minus 6. Thanks for watching. Please follow, like, comment, and share this video. See you next time.